I want to thank the brand for sending me this solar lantern so that I could check it out. I'm very excited about it, not only for at home, but also when I go camping, because a lot of my camping lights that I use in my campsite are solar and they make beautiful flames. And so this is going to fit right in. I can't wait to put it on my picnic table at the campground. Look how cool this is. I love this thing. I love it. I've got it back here. This is my barbecue corner. And so it's really pretty on the table there. But I'm also going to really enjoy having it on my picnic table when I go camping. And what I like most about it is that I can very easily, especially if I'm going to be storing it, very easily turn it off or turn it back on and put it back in its holder. It's really cool. It's really tall too. I just really think it's neat. I think you'll like it too. Thanks for watching.